So starting with the 30.3, I want to start out in the exterior of the coach. You're going to have a gorgeous fiberglass front cap. A lot of the standard features that you're going to get on the exterior of these coaches, starting with the power package, you're going to get a power tongue jack, and you're going to get 2 sets of electric stabilizers, so easy setup, easy teardown. You're also going to have the vault system, which is a centralized wiring that has your 7-way, your breakers, and your fuses for your solar. Coming to the pass-through storage, all these are going to be equipped with 190 watts of solar standard. You have the one option to upgrade to Sol 380, which is another 190 watt panel. You have a 30 amp charge controller, and you also have your solar disconnect in the pass-through storage. Coming down here, you're going to have your solid steps going up into the coach. Nice size dual awning, so tons of shade on your camp side. Moving along the back of the coach, you're going to get a heated enclosed underbelly on all the Corterra lineup floor plans. And then going to the back, you're going to have your back up camera prep, you're going to have your ladder prep, and your spare tire. So coming into the coach, you'll see right away, you're going to get your LED light strips that our fifth wheel has. We incorporated it into our travel trailers. In the back of the 30.3RL is the rear living. I love this setup. You have your theater seating sitting right directly across from your TV, and you're also going to have a trifold sofa in the back with some overhead space for more storage. Going across, you're going to get your TV standard with your fireplace. In here, you're going to have more storage going into your kitchen, solid surface countertops in all of the travel trailers, and then moving to the oven and 3-burner cooktop. And then you're going to get your 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. Tons of storage to this layout. It's one of the things I love about the 30.3RL is the countertop space and the storage. And then another cool feature on here, just like you see in the fifth wheels, these tables have storage underneath them, as well as you can extend them and pull this out, drop it down, and you gain about 10 inches of table space. Going to the bathroom, you're going to have tons of room in here, bunch of storage. Anywhere that we could find storage, we put. And then going into the bedrooms, you're going to have closets on both sides. We were able to fit even more storage on here. 60 by 80 queen bed in all the floor plans. You're going to have 2 ACs on a coach like this, so your main bedroom is going to have your temperature control and a different temperature in the back if you so choose, and then the CPAP storage on both sides of the queen bed. And that's our 30.3RL. For more information, go to heartlandrvs.com.